Hello and welcome to the Demmer Ford YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial to go over the Ford Sync 3 system. During this video, you're going to learn about each section of the Sync 3 system and learn how to use all the most common features. Let's get started. When you start your vehicle, you will see the home screen for Sync 3. The home screen has a split view to show a few different sections at one time. The top right section is the radio or media source connected and what you have playing. Below that is where you'll see the information for the phone you have paired with the vehicle. On the left hand side, you will see a map for navigation for vehicles equipped with Ford's navigation package. Along the bottom of the screen, you will see tiles for each of the sections found in the Sync 3 system: audio, climate, phone, nav, apps, and settings. Simply click on the tile you want to enter that section of the system. In the audio section, you will see controls for the music you have playing. To change what media you are listening to, click the Sources button. From here you can select which radio, CD, or other connected device that you want to listen to. When you select AM/FM radio or Sirius, you will bring up the station you have tuned into with your presets listed across the bottom. If you want to change a preset, tune to the station you want to save. Then, press and hold over an existing preset that you want to get rid of. Once you hear the system beep, you will see that the new preset is saved. Remember, if you ever want to get back to the home screen, you can press the button that looks like a house in the top left corner of the Sync 3 screen. Next, we have the climate section, where you can control your AC and temperature. You can also change your fan speed here by clicking up or down on the control tiles. In the phone section, you will see a breakdown for different categories and features related to the cell phone that you have paired. This is a good spot to know if you ever need to add another phone to sync with the vehicle, or if you want to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode to prevent incoming calls while driving. When you enter the navigation section, you will see a more expanded view of the map display. Waiting a few moments without interacting with the screen will lower the other sections out of view to increase the map size. If you need to access the features in navigation, click on the Controls button to bring back the menu. To enter an address and get directions, click on the Destination button. From here, you can choose if you want to search a new address, choose from a previous destination, or choose from home, work, or another favorite address that you saved. You can also click the Point of Interest tiles to immediately search for food, fuel, and other options near the area you are currently located. Clicking Search will start the route guidance process. The updated navigation system functions much like the search bar in your internet browser. You can type in the exact location address, the name, or the crossroads, and it will search to find the spot you are looking for. Common suggestions will also appear below the search bar as you begin typing. You can select one of these if you see the address you are looking for and want to save some time. Once you find the address you want to navigate to, either click Start to begin route guidance or save it to use it for later. Sync 3 will now highlight the route for you to follow. If you ever want to turn off the system's voice prompts during navigation, you can click the speaker button here to toggle it on and off. You can also toggle between different destination indicators by clicking the top right button with the finish line flag. You can choose estimated time of arrival, minutes remaining until destination, or number of miles away from the destination. If you ever need to cancel a route or make changes, click the Control button and then select Menu. Here you can see the different options you have available. The next section is the Apps section. There are not many apps that will be compatible from your smartphone to your car, but if you want to see what you do have available, plug your smartphone into the USB charging port located underneath the Sync 3 system. In a moment, you will see the compatible apps appear. Waze is a popular navigation app that is compatible with Sync 3 and is a great option for drivers that still want directions displayed on the Sync screen but don't have the Ford navigation package. I will cover how to set up and use Waze navigation in another video. The last section is for settings, where you can find all the tiles to change different Sync 3 settings. There are a lot of different sections here, and you will need to swipe across your screen in order to bring up the remaining sections. Swiping back in the opposite direction will bring you to the screen you were previously on. So there's the Ford Sync 3 system in a nutshell. Don't be alarmed if your Sync 3 system looks a little different than what I showed you today. Depending on the equipment package you have on your Ford vehicle, there may be some differences as to what is displayed on the sync screen. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if this helped you learn more about your Ford vehicle today. If you have more questions or do need additional help, please leave a comment below and I'd be more than happy to respond.